In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to repost videos on Instagram, quick and easy. So let's get started right away. So first of all, you want to download this app right here, Repost for Instagram. And this is super easy to repost the videos with. So yeah, just download that. And once we've done that, we can go to Instagram. We can go to our Explore page or any like feed or whatever you want, and you can just select a video. So let's say we want to repost this video. We want to select it, then click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on copy link. So yeah, make sure the link is copied, and we want to open up the app. So just click on open, and the app will automatically detect that you have copied the link. So we're just going to click on this post right here, and this is the video right here. We can basically change the watermark because currently it's set at the bottom left corner, and we can change it to the black or white. We can also choose none. We can bottom right, top left. So as you can see, it will just change however you want to. I do recommend leaving it on there. Because you want to give credit to the owner, of course. But if you don't want to, make sure to at least give credit in the caption. I'm just going to leave it right there, and then click on share. And by the way, if you want to completely repost the post and the caption, you want to make sure to have copy caption right here selected. But if you just want to repost the video only, you can also just share it without copying the caption. So just click on share, and now it says exporting. Click on OK, and it says want to open Instagram, and then click on yes. Select feed, and click on next. Click on next again, and right here you can either paste the full caption of them in there right here, or you can just write your own caption, but make sure to give credit to the owner, of course, because that's just nice. And once you've done that, you can just click on OK, click share. Just wait for that to be posted, and now it is posted. And as you can see, we have reposted this video just like this, and that's all there is to it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.